Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today we will be discussing about responsibilities of Maintenance Supervisor. Let's jump right into it. Responsibilities of Maintenance Supervisor. A Maintenance Supervisor is the backbone of any facility, ensuring its smooth operation by overseeing the maintenance and repair of its systems and equipment. They are the bridge between management and the maintenance team, responsible for coordinating, supervising, and directing maintenance activities. A day in the life of a Maintenance Supervisor. The role of a Maintenance Supervisor is multifaceted and demanding. Their daily responsibilities typically include team management, leading and motivating a team of maintenance technicians, assigning tasks and providing training and development opportunities. Maintenance planning, developing and implementing preventive maintenance schedules to minimize equipment breakdowns and extend asset life. Emergency response, handling unexpected equipment failures or facility issues in a timely and efficient manner. Budget management, overseeing maintenance budgets, purchasing supplies, and managing costs effectively. Quality control, ensuring that all maintenance work is completed to high standards and in compliance with safety regulations. Communication, coordinating with other departments such as operations and management to address maintenance-related issues. The importance of a maintenance supervisor. Effective maintenance is crucial for any organization to maintain productivity, efficiency, and safety. A skilled maintenance supervisor plays a vital role in preventing equipment failures. Proactive maintenance planning and execution can significantly reduce downtime and costly repairs. Ensuring safety. By adhering to safety protocols and conducting regular inspections, maintenance supervisors help create a safe working environment. Optimizing operations. Well-maintained equipment and facilities contribute to increased efficiency and productivity. Cost reduction. By preventing breakdowns and extending asset life, maintenance supervisors help control maintenance costs. Maintenance supervisors are the unsung heroes who keep operations running smoothly. Their dedication to their craft ensures that businesses can focus on their core competencies without worrying about the infrastructure. Learn this video. Helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We're looking forward to see you until then. Take care.